Oh! Oh no. Have you ever been in this circumstance where you've pulled your door handle out? I might be holding a brand new one, but that's exactly what happened here. So let's dig into this. Let's get this door handle out the right way and replace it with a brand new GM that you can get right from eBay or Rock Auto, and the link is in the description. Just gonna open the door now. So to get this off, you just, that sounded bad. And then this one, there you go, pops out. So we pop this out and you can see the bolt here. So right in there, you can see that nut, and then up here, up in behind here, way up top there, right up there. So that I'll need a 10 mil ratcheting wrench for to get that out. So let's go ahead and get these easier ones out. That down there. Now I'm gonna get that harder one. It's way up here. Okay. So that's all you need, those three off. You get it off, you're gonna have to, you won't have the handle, so you're gonna have to pull this, push that down and pull it out. And then pop this off. Oh gosh, dang it. Let's go. Okay, pop that up. And then we gotta swing this around. You have to get the spring clip out. And don't move. There we go. Okay, well that's off now, so we can literally, okay, it's off. So when you get this new part, it'll already have this clip in it, and then you go ahead and you put all this back together. So this is the hard bolt. You'll have to reach up around in there and then unscrew that, and that's why I use a ratcheting wrench. It's way easier. As you noticed before, we've got all these pieces back in here. So let's slide this in, and you want to line these two tabs up here with here, and you want to make sure that this is facing this way. There you go, that's in. Turn that sideways and mount that on, and there we go, that's in. And then just pull the door handle and you can get it in there. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and put the hard bits back in, which I'm going to put the easy ones back on first. I feel like that one worked better. Right, just use force. All right. We'll switch over. Put that back in. All right, back in. It's been taken off a few times, as you can tell. And then we can go ahead and put that door panel back in. I believe that. Oops. Here, fishy, fishy. There's one up front, isn't there? Found it. Stop looking, everyone. One, two. This little guy. Which way do you go? That way, okay. That is. There you go. Oh, I need that out, don't I? Yeah. All right, so that's back in. That's back. Maybe that. Unlock. Slide this back over. Alright, that's all together. All the screws are back in. A-pillar back on. There you go, back on, back on. I get to put that tray back in because for some reason I thought it was necessary to take that apart. It's fine there. Alright. The door handle back in. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If this video was helpful to you, hit that like button. Consider subscribing, and if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more content. If you want to prevent this from happening, please take a look at this other video where we have a cheap fix in order to make sure your vehicle doesn't freeze over, like what happened to my friend's truck here where his door handle broke. If you've had issues with freezing in the past, take a look at this video where we use 3 different chemicals to try to open the door other than just using lukewarm water. I hope you guys are having a great day. Take care, and we'll see you on another episode of Southdown Garage.